let's measure a density of coffee. So first of all, we're going to tar the scales and set those to 0. Good. Right, now we're going to fill up 100 mils of beans. I'm going to use a funnel. You want quite a large mouth on the thing or it's just going to jam up and pour quite slowly. We're going to put 100 mils in. If you go a bit over, just take a few out. Okay, now I use a 25mm dowel here, fits nicely just to tamp them down. And what you're looking for is like the meniscus it used to be. You want your coffee to be on that blue line all the way around. So I can see I need a few more beans here yet. Fill it up. And if you've got any gaps around the edges, you're going to drop another bean in and tamp it down. Okay, that's looking not too bad. And we measure it, and we've got 40.69 as our first reading. Now we're going to do this 3 times, and then average it, and then we'll know we've got it pretty good. Just make sure we've still got that on 0. Yep. Okay, and we do it again. Tip it down. .52. And the last one. .25. The beans have, they're irregular shaped, they've got a lot of air around them. This is called settled density. So you really do want to make sure they settle quite well and pat them down as much as you can to get a relatively accurate reading. So I've got 3 readings here and I'll just do the maths with my trusty calculator. So that's averaging to 40.48. Now that's for 100 mils, so we want grams per mil, so we divide by 100. So that is 0.4, and just round it up, 0.409 is our density reading for this coffee. Now if we go off to density.coffee website. Okay, I'll just show you using density.coffee website. We'll enter the density 409, and the roast date was a couple of days ago. Put in the coffee name, it's Jamaica Blue Mountain. Submit. We're after results for making espresso. Now it'll show you all the settings that you'll need to make the coffee. It's recommending a temperature of 89, a dose of 18 grams. It's a ratio of 2.6. That gives us a yield of 47. Each of these things are hyperlinks off to the side here, so if you're wondering what bypass is, you can click on it and it will just tell you. Down here is the aging table. So today is the 21st, and it's saying this coffee really needs to rest for a while before we use it. In fact, it's going to take really a couple of weeks before it's going to reach its best. If we were going to store it, we'd put it into single bean vaults, single dosing. And after a couple of weeks, if we want to keep it longer term, then we could consider freezing it into individual portions in a food saver. Down the bottom of the page, there is a print button here, print this post. So if you want to keep a folder with all the instructions for all your coffees, that's a good way of doing it. And that's density.coffee website. So knowing the density and using the tool on density.coffee helps me enormously with my high value coffee. Anyway, I hope you've found that useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.